there's nothing behind it, nothing in the way, and it'll be easy to set up. So I got my drill bit, my step bit. So that looks about centered. No turning back now. Now, it should fit. It should be big enough for this to fit flush, and it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and trim this off. We'll give ourselves, that's plenty. I'm gonna go ahead and split this apart. Probably about right there. We'll have protective wrap on it, but we need to go see how much wire we need to get to the battery. Okay, let's start putting our cable together. This is 10 gauge. There you go. Just make sure you're going straight in. And do one at a time. After you get the hole in there, because this thing may walk on you, you don't want to get your holes out in the wrong place. So I'm putting in one of these little bolts, what do you want to call them? Then on the back side, I'm putting a flat washer. I need to get a brace. This is not safe. That is not safe working under there. So I need to get something to either hold this up or make sure where that cannot fall. I had one of my friends, his brother-in-law worked at an equipment dealer, and he was working on one of these things and it fell on him. Damn near paralyzed him. He was in a back brace and crap for like 2 years. I mean, it jacked him up. So be very careful. So let me do something to brace this up. I'll be right back. Now I've got it. I got 2 straps. Each one of those are 1,000 pounds or 2,000. I don't remember, but they're enough. So I got a flat washer, lock washer, and a drop of a thread locker, Loctite, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you what it looks like on the back side. So let me go ahead and get these other 2 put in, then we'll go to the next step. You can see why I had to shave this so it'll fit and that notch right there. I don't know what that. So this will go all the way up in there, like that. Okay, this is axle grease, but any kind of grease will work. Okay, so we should be done. Let's test it. Yeah, here we go, 12.8. And it's charging it. Okay, this is in the future, but to close this video out, adding these connectors is very handy, especially if you wire them 10 gauge, because this is a future video, but I just finished making a quick attach winch mount for this tractor, and I can power it with that connector we just added. You know, like I said, my zero turn, my riding mowers, all have those connectors on them. Here's just a sample of some stuff. I've got an air pump. Here's another set of jumper cables. If you look in that bag right there, there's two different lengths of extension cables for these connectors. So it's a very handy thing to convert your fleet over to. So hope this helps. And if you're interested in this, watch out, the video will be coming soon after this one. So hope this helps. Like and subscribe. See ya.